Hi everyone, this is Matt with a document use lesson today. The type of document use we're going to do is looking at WHMIS symbols. So in April of 2016, WHMIS changed and some of the old symbols were retired and some were combined, and we have some new ones as well. The new system is called Globally Harmonized GHS, which means the pictograms or symbols are supposed to be the same throughout the world. It's important to know that these symbols are for workplace materials. So the materials you might have at home, such as cleaning products, use different symbols. So in April 2016, the new symbols all were given this red diamond-shaped border, except for one symbol that we will see at the end. So the first symbol we're going to take a look at is this skull and crossbones. Most people are familiar with this and know that it means poisonous materials. Poisonous materials such as pesticides are things that affect you negatively, usually over time. The next symbol, the flame, stands for flammable materials. Flammable materials are things like gasoline, rubber, and ethanol that can easily burst into flames, especially when near heat. This next one is a little different than flammable materials. You see the letter O in the middle of it. The O stands for oxidizing. Oxidizing means that it can burst into flames, but also pulls oxygen into it, meaning the flames just get bigger. Hydrogen peroxide, or anything with hydrogen peroxide in it, is a common example of oxidizing materials. Next, of course, we have explosive materials. Explosive materials are things that can easily explode, sometimes near a heat source, or sometimes even just when they're shaken. This cylindrical tube stands for compressed gas. Compressed gas, such as acetylene and propane, is gas that at normal room temperature is compressed into a tube. That means when the temperature changes, it can explode. Next is corrosive materials. Corrosive materials are things that can burn through other materials. As you can see in the picture, it can burn through your hand or other parts of your body, or through wood or metal or anything else like that. This exclamation mark stands for health effects. This is one of the new symbols. By health effects, it means things that affect your health negatively but aren't really serious, such as irritation to the eyes or skin or itchiness. This next one is health hazard, meaning it's like health effects, but they're usually more serious and take longer to develop, such as cancer and lung disease. This symbol is optional in Canada. It stands for environmental hazard. So materials that can cause damage to the aquatic system. And this symbol, biological hazard, meaning it's usually related to something alive like a bacteria or a virus. So you can see this symbol in places like hospitals, tattoo shops, hair salons, places that might deal with bodily fluids.